Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learn With Me. In this video, we are going to see who is a computer programmer. Oh, here is a computer programmer. A computer programmer can simply be called as a programmer. Or, more recently, he's been given the name as a coder. A computer programmer is a person who creates or writes computer program or computer software. Here is the definition of the computer programmer. A computer programmer can simply be called as a programmer or more recently as a coder. He is a person who creates computer software or computer program. Hope you understood who is a computer programmer. If you think so, and if you think I have simplified learning for you, do like my video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and always remember that practice makes things perfect.